What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles back with another how-to video. Today I am going to be cleaning these Jordan 1s in the origin colorway that we went ahead and got dirty for you guys because we've had a lot of questions on how to clean these. Now, you may have seen my previous video where I applied a pair of sole shields on just one side, which was this left side here, and not on the right one. And as you can see, I mean, there's a big difference. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do for you guys today is clean the left pair and show you exactly why you wanna pick up our Advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and a pair of sole shields if you want your shoes to look brand spanking new. But without further ado, guys, let's get bubbly. All right, guys, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I am only gonna be cleaning the left side. So the first step you wanna do is remove the laces and then grab your adjustable shoe tree, adjust it to size, and insert it into the shoe. Now, as I'm unlacing these up, guys, I wanna know you guys' thoughts. I'm a big fan of this colorway. I think the shoe was super dope. The movie itself was really good for like animated series. Like, I really liked it. Jake, what were your thoughts on it, Jake? Thumbs up. Yeah, it was like really good. Actually, I think Victor was the one who told me to go watch it because it was like a few weeks that it came out. And then me and the wife and the kids finally went to go see it, and we really enjoyed it. So it was like really, really dope. And this shoe, the concept of the shoe is super dope as well. However, one thing that I wish they did to the shoe that they didn't was, well, you can't see it now, but I'm sure if you've seen these in person, you know what I'm talking about. That's like a whole bunch of like little dots. If those were like 3M reflective, that would have been super crazy dope. Like, that would have set the shoe off on another level. And maybe added some other few like Spider-Man things as well, like a web here on the Nike Air, just to give it a little bit more of that Spider-Man look. But other than that, I think the shoe was like really, really dope. I'm not sure if you watched my other video, but I mentioned like I'm not a big fan of highs, not in the sense that I don't like the silhouette, but I just don't like how hard it is for me to put my foot inside the shoe. Like I struggle with it, and I don't want my laces to be like super loose and fat for me to put my foot in. So I'm not the biggest fan of the highs, but I do like the silhouette itself. But I would like to know you guys' thoughts. Let me know in the comment section below. Are you a fan of these? Did you cop? And if you didn't cop, would you pay resale for these? Because I think they're going for like, as of today, like $450, $480, Jake? Something like that. So it's a little pricey. But now that the laces are removed, go ahead and grab the adjustable shoe tree. I know that these are size 11, so that's gonna be probably about the third one here. Go ahead and put it into the shoe. Oh, a little too loose, so maybe one more. There you go. And what that's gonna allow me to do, guys, is apply more pressure, and it's gonna allow the shoe to keep its form and reduce that creasing. Go ahead and check that out. Now the next step to do, guys, is grab your bottle of solution. Now I have about 4 ounces of water in our collapsible bowl here. So all I'm gonna do is grab this, pour 2 little squirts, and then I'm gonna begin cleaning the uppers using the soft bristle brush. Now, a question we always get, guys, is why do I start with the soft bristle brush? And it's real simple. Because it's really, really soft, it absorbs a lot of that solution and water mixture, which creates a lot of bubbles. So as you can see, it's really breaking down that dirt, really getting it good. Now, for those deeper stains, I do go in with the medium bristle brush just because it has like a stiffer hair. But for the soft brush on the uppers on this, creates more bubbles, gets that dirt really broken down. So always start with the soft bristle brush. Soft brush brush, soft brush brush. All right, guys, the uppers are all done. They are looking really, really, really good. And that was just with the soft bristle brush. As I mentioned, guys, I really like using that first just because it creates the most suds, and that soap is definitely gonna break down all the dirt. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do next is hit up this midsole with the medium brush and then hit up the outsole with the stiff bristle brush. Doesn't look too bad, just in this area here where the sole shield, if you've seen that last video, sole shield kind of ripped on this section here because I create a lot of heel drag. But I'm not too worried about it. Should clean up super, super good. So let's go ahead and move on to the midsole. All right guys, I am done cleaning the outsole with the stiff bristle brush. Go ahead and check out how icy the bottom is still looking. Now unfortunately, with cleaning the bottoms, I'm not gonna be able to remove that oxidation from where the sole shield peeled. But what I would recommend is, even if you're wearing the pair and you clean the bottoms, go ahead and slap a new pair of sole shields on there, guys, and it'll help reduce the oxidation from the outsole. So go ahead and check out the shoe, guys. Now, I know in the beginning of the video, I said I was gonna be using the Advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system, which I don't think I'm gonna use for this shoe. I don't think it needs to go in the wash. After looking at it right now, it looks really, really good. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is clean the laces and then put the shoe out to dry, and then we'll come back and see if this tongue cleans up and doesn't look dingy. So let's go ahead and clean the laces now. Laces are all clean, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and just set these outside, put it in that Arizona sun, and let these dry up. So I'll see you guys in just a second. All right, guys, I am back. We went ahead and let these shoes dry for a few days, and as you can see, they cleaned up amazing. Check that out. Let me go ahead and finish this 360 for you guys. And let me show you guys a side-by-side comparison. Now guys, this shoe was very, very easy to clean up. Most of the time, whenever you are cleaning Jordan 1s, it's gonna be a pretty simple cleaning, but I was able to achieve these results using Reshoevn8r's 4-ounce 3-brush kit that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. There will also be a little link in the description below and a nice little promo code for you to save some bucks, guys. Also, I also did another video with these showing you guys how to apply a pair of sole shields. If you wanna keep your shoes looking icy like this left side here and not disgusting like the right one, go ahead and just click right here. Go ahead and check that video out. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. But that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, guys. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell so you know every time we post a video. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.